So Heels now 0 of 3 from the field. Toyo gets it down low against Meeks. Blocked. Holy smokes. Still 6-4. Carolina with the basketball. Meeks in the paint, left side. Spins to the hoop and lays it in. He went right around London that time for 2.
It's a great move.
Bounds. Right corner gets it to Jackson. Right back in the corner to Woods. Down low to Meeks for the easy layup. Justin Jackson scoreless. Over to Nate Britt. Bounces down low to Meeks. Pump fake. Goes up and under and scores.
Off of 3-point shots tonight. And a big dive on the floor by Kennedy Meeks as the ball is coughed up in the background. Kenny Williams going into Luke May, and Luke will finish it at the rim.
You guys don't even need me here.
That's right. Go back to sleep, Jones.
He's 6'10". And steps out and hits the 3. 56-38. The lob down low to Meeks, has to come down with it. Uses the rim to fend off Toyo and scores. The 5 on the floor for Carolina. Toyo outside the left, about mid-post. And blocked by Meeks as he tried to back in for the Mocs. 71-47. Down low to Meeks. Got good position in the paint and was able to finish with the hook shot. Up high to Hicks. Now to Justin Jackson. 73-47. There's Meeks again, wide open in the paint this time, and finishes easily with the layup.